we customize hiring by industry. We begin by analyzing the unique demands of each sector. Information technology, manufacturing, finance, healthcare. We delve deeply into your industry's skills, compliance requirements, and cultural expectations. This enables us to develop hiring strategies that align with your unique business objectives. For IT, we prioritize technical assessments. For finance, we ensure regulatory expertise. For manufacturing, we focus on operational efficiency. For healthcare, we verify certifications and empathy skills. We also leverage industry-specific networks to access talent pools others might miss. Our recruitment isn't generic, it's built for your industry's success. The result? Better fit candidates, faster hiring cycles, long-term retention. Let's make hiring work smarter, tailored to your industry. Connect with us today.